Hi dear students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Here I am also fit and fine. Do you know what is the full form of COVID? COVID full form is C for corona, V for virus, D for disease. So COVID full form is coronavirus disease. Next, welcome to our SST class. This class is about your chapter 2, Earth and the Environment. In this class, we will know about why life is possible on the Earth, shape of the Earth, surface of the Earth, environment of the Earth. So, the students, let's come to the topic. This is your hard copy. This is your book. Chapter 2, Earth and the Environment. In the previous chapter, we discussed our solar system has 8 planets, but there is a special planet, Earth, in which life can possible. So, we know why life is possible only on the Earth. Because water and air found only on the Earth, they are essential for life to exist. That means without water and air, life cannot be survived. So, this is the first point. Due to life possible in the Earth, and next, the temperature of the Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. That means Earth का टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा हॉट नहीं है या फिर ज़्यादा कोल्ड नहीं है, बिकॉज it is neither too far from the sun nor too close to the sun. That means this is the basic point. Due to this reason, life is possible on the Earth. Next, shape of the Earth. We all know the shape of the Earth is round like an orange. But in the ancient times, peoples did not know the shape of the Earth. They thought the shape of the Earth is flat, and also they thought the sun revolved around the Earth, and that means the sun revolved around the Earth. But first time, a Greek philosopher mathematician Pythagoras was the first one to suggest that the shape of the Earth is round. Who suggest the shape of the Earth is round? Pythagoras. Who was Pythagoras? A Greek philosopher and mathematician. Next, Nicolaus Copernicus, a scientist from Poland, said it was the Earth which moved around the sun, not the other way round. That means पाइथागोरस ने बोले थे कि अर्थ का शेप है राउंड, और निकोलस कोपर्निकस ने बोले कि अर्थ इज which moved around the sun. Next, but in 1590, a Portuguese sailor named Ferdinand Magellan set out on a voyage from Spain. Voyage means a large journey. He started journey from Spain with 241 men, but unfortunately on the way he died in 1521 fighting a battle on the way. After about 3 years, in 1522, his ship's name is Victoria, reached the same place where they had started. जहाँ से उसने शुरू किए थे वहीं पर आके उनका शिप पहुँच गया, but only with 80 men. When they started journey, they come with 241 men, but when he come back only with 80 men. This proved that the earth had no edges, that means it is round like a ball, but actually the earth shape is like an orange, slightly flat at the top of the bottom. But due to our development of science, after some year, in 1961, a Russian astronaut, Yuri Gagarin went into the shape and they take some pictures of the earth, which is proof that the earth shape is round. He was the first person to go into the space. Who was the first person to go into the space? Yuri Gagarin. He also found that the earth is round. Later, in 1969, American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin landed on the moon. Who was the first astronaut go into the moon? Neil Armstrong. They took many photographs of the earth, which is proved that earth is round in shapes. It looked like a ball, big ball, and this picture also proved that the shape of the earth is round. And surface of the earth. Do you know the surface of the earth is made up of land and water, but 1/4 part of the surface is covered with land and 3/4 part of the surface is covered with water. Our earth is also known as blue planet because most of the part is covered with water and ice. Why our earth is called blue planet? Because most part of the earth is covered with water and ice. Next, coast. Coast means the place where the land meets the sea is called coast. Coast means the place where the land meets the sea is called coast. Also, beach is also a type of coast. These coastal areas are generally defined as the crossing point or transition areas between land and sea. This is the crossing point of between land and sea. Next, horizon. If we stand on the top of a tall building and look far away, we will see that the earth and the sky seem to meet at a place. That means when we see the sky, we will see that the earth and the sky seem to meet at a place, but it is not right. This place is called horizon or land horizon, but the sky and the earth never meet. They just seem to meet at one point. Next, when we stand at the seashore and look at the sea, it will seem that the sky is meeting the sea at a distance. This place is known as water horizon. That means the place where the sky and the sea water seem to meet is called water horizon. Just like land never meets the sky, like this water to never meets the sky. Environment of the earth. Environment means is our surrounding in which we live. We live in different kinds of environment of the day, like in daytime we live in the school, office or market, but at night we live in our comfort environment of our home, like birds lives in trees, animals lives in forest, human beings lives in their house, like this. But due to our ignorance and some of our activities, our environment is being polluted. So we take some work to save the environment to save our earth. Then we know ways to protect our environment. How can we protect our environment? What can we do? Now, we can minimize the use of firewood, coal and petroleum products. Instead of firewood, coal and petroleum product, we use renewable energy like solar energy. Example like the solar cookers, heaters, and etc. And also close taps immediately after use the separate. That means we close the taps after using our water. And what cannot we do? Now we do not use pesticides, insecticides or chemicals, because these pesticides kills hundreds of birds and other animals every year. And we do not burn fossil fuels like coal or petroleum, because this causes harmful gases are burning, and this called global warming. Global warming means increase in temperature of the earth's surface. And we do not cut down trees, because trees absorb harmful gases like carbon dioxide and gives oxygen, which is basic need for living organism. And we do not play loud music or blow unnecessarily, because it causes noise pollution. And we do not burning too many crackers during Diwali or prevent during Diwali, because it prevents the air from getting polluted. So dear students, this is the whole chapter about earth and the environment. And lastly, this is the quick revision 2. I will discuss this question. What is the surface of the earth made of? The surface of the earth is made up of land and water. Does land or water meet the sky? No. Land or water does not meet the sky. And next come to exercise. Take the correct answer first. Dash supports life on the earth. Dash supports life on the earth. Air, water. So your answer is both. Long ago, people thought that the earth was dash. लोग क्या सोच रहे थे? ना फ्लैट. Long ago, people thought that the earth was flat. Dash absorb harmful gases like carbon dioxide. Do you know very well? Their answer is trees, because trees absorb harmful gases like carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Next, filling the blanks with the help of words given in the box, like our earth has life, but all the other planets are lifeless. Next, Magellan started his voyage around the earth from dash. In which country they started? Spain. So your answer is Spain. The area around a dash is called coastal area. The area around a coast is called coastal area. Loud music causes dash pollution. Loud music causes noise pollution. So answer is noise pollution. And then short type question. This is a long question answer. Why is life possible on the earth? Why is life possible on the earth? Because presence of air, water and a suitable temperature. Your answer will be life is possible on the earth because due to presence of air, water and a suitable temperature. Next, how was it proved that the earth is round? First, it was proved by the Spain. So how it was proved that the earth is round by the voyage of Hadrian Magellan, and the photographs of the earth from the moon proved moon. Who was Pythagoras? Pythagoras was a Greek philosopher or mathematician. He was first one who suggested that the earth shape is round. Why does the earth appears blue? The earth appears blue because most of the part of the earth is covered with water and ice. Yes, students, I write all the question answer of your exercise in your hard copy. You follow it and write in your SST copy and practice it for a better improvement. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and have a nice day.